सब्सक्राइब कीजिए लर्निंग फार्मेसी चैनल को एंड बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट फार्मेसी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। In the end of this video, we'll ask you a question. You have to answer that question so that you'll get to know that you understand this video well or not. So by means of that, you have to communicate your answer in the comment section below. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to discuss the Pharmaceutics chapter 2.1 packaging of pharmaceuticals, and in that what topics we'll discuss. We will discuss about the introduction of packaging, function of packaging, and the type of packaging. So first we'll see the introduction of packaging. So what is packaging? Packaging is actually the science, or you can say the art of enclosing or protecting the product for its distribution, storage, sale or use. So by means of packaging, basically we actually protect the ingredient or the formulation inside that packages so as to protect the formulation or the ingredients from the surrounding. So thus in the second definition they are saying that pharmaceutical packaging is an economical means it is an affordable for everyone. So it is an economical means of providing protection, identification, information, convenience and stability of the product. So we'll see the process step by step. So in the first step, see, the pharmaceutical company is manufacturing the product. Then in the second step, we'll see the final product is then packed into these kind of boxes, and these boxes are then arranged accordingly. And then in the final step, these boxes are then transported to various wholesaler or the retail shops from where we get the product. So this is the whole process, how the packaging works, how the packaging is initiated, and what's the final step, how the packages are transported to the wholesalers and the retailers and to the various hospitals also. Now we'll see the function or the benefits of packaging. So the first benefit of packaging is product identification. Packaging greatly helps in identification of the product. So you can easily identify the product by seeing its label and package. So that's the first benefit of packaging. The second benefit of packaging is product protection. Packaging protects the content of the product from spoilage, breakage or leakage as the product is secured inside in that package. So the spoilage, breakage or leakage can be avoided. The third benefit is facilitate the use of product. So packaging makes the product convenient to open, handle and use by the customer. As you can see, for powder we have sifter top packaging, and for the creams we have wide mouth container packages. And the last one is product promotion. So packaging help in product promotion and attract the attention of the people while purchasing it. So you can see there are different kind of attractive packaging by means of which it grab the people attention. So these are some of the benefits of packaging. Now we'll see the types of packaging. So we have three types of packaging. The first one is primary packaging, the second one is secondary packaging, and the last one is tertiary packaging. So what is primary packaging? Primary packaging material is the material that first envelop the product and hold it. So for example, in primary packaging we have strip pack, blister pack, bottle pack and the spray packaging. So basically primary packaging material are the one that remain in direct contact with the medication contained in it. Then we have the secondary packaging. What are secondary packaging? It is outside the primary packaging and used to group the primary package together. So basically in secondary packaging, secondary package hold the primary one together in these kind of boxes as you can see here. And the last one is tertiary packaging. Tertiary packaging is used for bulk handling and shipping. So basically tertiary packaging is used for transportation of these medication into the different sectors. So there's a question for you. So the question is, which of the following is called as secondary packaging? The options are strip packaging, blister packaging, bottle packaging or the boxes. You have to answer this question in the comment section below. So thanks for watching. If in next video we'll continue our topic of packaging, and in that we will discuss the material used in pharmaceutical packaging, and glass as a packaging material. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button below. If you have any comment, and please ring the bell icon for the regular update. If you have any doubt or you want to ask anything from us, leave a comment in the comment section below. ये कुछ हमारे रिलेटेड वीडियोस के लिंक हैं जिन पे क्लिक करके आप उनको देख सकते हैं। दोस्तों, लर्निंग फार्मेसी पे आने के लिए और ये वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।